Disconnect the camera microphone cable from the system board. Remove 2 retaining screws from the speaker. Lift the speaker and set it away from the system board. Disconnect the speaker cable. Disconnect the trackpad, keyboard, smart card reader, and second keyboard cables from the system board. Disconnect the coin cell battery cable from the system board. Disconnect the LCD cable and the DC-in cable from the system board. Remove the antenna cables from the guides. Remove the antenna guide from the system board. Uninstall 3 retaining screws. Lift the system board out of the chassis.